Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have access to Business Manager and an ad account. Now begin. First, open Ads Manager, then go to Audiences and choose Create a Custom Audience. Select Customer List to upload. When prompted, pick the correct ad account and name your audience so it's easy to find. Make sure your file columns match Facebook's templates, email, phone, external ID, because correct mapping increases match rates. Once done, confirm your data is UTF-8 encoded and contains one header row. Then continue to mapping. Now upload the file and carefully map columns to Facebook fields. Do not guess. Select email if column contains emails, phone for numbers, etc. If you pre-hashed with SHA-256, mark it so Facebook won't double hash. While uploading, choose whether to include LTV or other custom attributes and confirm formatting. Once uploaded, select audience source options like customer file or engagement, set retention windows for lookback, and save. Give Facebook up to 24 hours. Finish by applying the new custom audience to a small test campaign so you can verify delivery and match rates quickly. If match rates are low, check common issues: improper hashing, missing country codes on phones, white space around emails, or wrong header names. Fix those and re-upload. If Facebook reports file errors, download the error log, correct the specific rows, and re-upload only the corrected rows. Finally, make sure to wait for full processing before scaling budgets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.